So question 6 is the system of two rods shown in figure is vibrating at the same frequency and forming a standing wave. The ratio of the number of antinodes in the two rods if radius of rod B is twice the radius of A. Okay, so here first let's see what are the given conditions. Okay, so we have two rods. Okay, so one is rod A and rod B. Okay, this one. Okay, and let me change the color, and this one. Okay, two rods. Diameter of these two rods are different, but length is same. Okay, so now it is also given that they are vibrating at the same frequency. Frequency is also same and forming a standing wave. Okay, then the ratio of number of antinodes in the two rods. Okay, so here we are asked the ratio of number of antinodes in the two rods. Okay, and if radius of rod B is twice the radius of A, okay, means R2 is equals to twice of R1. Okay, so this is the condition, and we have to find out the ratio of number of antinodes based on this condition. Okay, so let's see the solution. Okay. So basically we will use this formula. Okay, to find out the ratio. Okay, okay, so here just a minute. Yeah, so here this P represents number of antinodes. Okay, and this is the radius. Okay, radius R. Okay, so we can observe in this formula that number of antinodes is directly proportional to the radius. Okay, this P1 upon P2 is equals to R1 upon R2. Okay, so we can also write R1 as 2R because radius of rod B is twice the radius of rod A. Okay, so R and R will cancel out, so the ratio of P1 upon P2 would be 2. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Thank you.